South Africa. Today we have got Mama, President of the City Volleyball, Mama Oripa Mubika. So she's going to talk about the current tournament that is coming, which is almost the regional, the continental and international City Volleyball. Mama, can you brief us on that tournament that is coming?
The tournament is going to be there from the 23rd to the 26th of April, which is less than 2 weeks to go. But our arrangements are going on pretty well. We have 4 teams that are coming from South Africa, 3 male and 1 female. A team from Nigeria, that is a mixed team. Then we've got teams from Zimbabwe. There are 3 teams from Harare, but in all it's 6 teams because it's male and female, male and female. Then we've got 1 in Bulawayo, male and female, and we're expecting 1 from Vic Falls, that is a mixed team. Right now, although we are saying we are advancing in our preparations, we are short in funding. We don't have funds. What we have is a patron, and our patron, who is Agnes Musaka, committed to giving us 5,000. And for a budget of 30,000, you can see that there's a deficit. Yes.
So what do you expect? What do you want done for the tournament?
We are still asking for donations in cash and kind. If we can get foodstuffs, that would be very good. If we can find someone who can even donate fuel, because we want to be
mobile.
Yes, especially for the athletes. The local athletes will be coming by bus into Bulawayo, and they'll need to be transported to Townsend. At Townsend, they also need money because they cannot be doing all this for free. We need to pay for the hall, that is about 1,000. We need to pay the people who are going to be cooking for the athletes because it's during the holidays, so they need some money. The drivers that are going to be driving the athletes, they also need something. Not even talking of trophies, medals, even our volunteers. Fine, we are calling them volunteers, but they are coming from home, they need bus fares. They even need a t-shirt to just show that I was at that tournament.
Sure. Here we are, well wishers. Please help us for the City Volleyball to take place well. We hope that you will help this tournament to be a success. Thank you very much to those well wishers.